Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Red Lipatic and welcome back to my channel. Now as you can see on the thumbnail, you can make $5 doing absolutely nothing. Now when I mean absolutely nothing, I mean that you don't have to fill in no surveys, you don't have to do no testing jobs, you don't have to do nothing. All you gotta do is download the software on your computer and let it run. So whenever you're doing work on your computer, let this run, open the software and let it run, let it generate while you're doing your work on the computer, because sometimes I know some of us spend like the whole day on the computer or 5 hours, and this will be making you money and you will get instant payment to your PayPal account. It says you can get started in 30 seconds and get paid today. You can use your laptop or your PC to make money online right now. So when you're gonna come to the page, you're gonna see that there's a download software button, and then as you scroll down, it'll tell you click here to start earning money, and they pay via PayPal, Pioneer, Western Union, Payza, Connect, and Bitcoin. You can work. They also have an opportunity where you can there's stuff for you to do. You can work from home, and apart from you just downloading the software and earning money, apart from that, if you want to like double or triple your chance of earning, you can do that. It says you earn money in 30 seconds. It only takes 30 seconds for you to earn money. And you can do other jobs. When you go down to the website, you will see there's other jobs that you can do. You can scroll around, you can browse around and see what jobs you want. They have so many stuff, they have so many jobs over here. It's such a great website. It's such a awesome website for you to earn money online. And then they also have a payment proof. If I click on this over here, let's see, it's gonna, when I come down, they have the payment proof over here. So every time you use this website, every 30 seconds, they are gonna be paying you $5 or so. So I will leave the links down below, and don't worry, this is not gonna cause your computer to crash. It's not gonna cause any virus. I'm also running my running this app right now, and it hasn't caused me any any problems. It hasn't made my computer slow. I have been it's been generating money for me, and I've been doing absolutely nothing because I like practically sit on the computer every single day because I have so much of work to do. I've got to edit videos, I've got to do so many things, make thumbnails, etc, etc. So I will leave the link down in the description box. And thank you so much, guys. Once again, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, smash that subscribe button, and until my next video, peace.